a tasty pasta recipe. Let's watch how to do this. Switch on the stove, take 1 liter of water in a vessel and keep it for boiling. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and oil to it. This is wheat pasta. We can easily get it in supermarkets. Add this 250 grams of pasta into the boiling water. After boiling the pasta for 6 to 7 minutes, strain the hot water and pour some cold water on it so that it will not stick to each other. Be careful, don't overcook the pasta. For pasta preparation, we need finely chopped beans, garlic, onions, spring onions and 2 to 3 chopped tomatoes. We can add carrot also. Switch on the gas stove, keep a frying pan on it. Add 1 tablespoon of butter and 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Add chopped garlic. When aroma starts, add chopped onion and saute well for 2 minutes. Once the onion becomes transparent, add beans. Add tomatoes and saute well. Add a pinch of salt so that tomato will become soft. Now put chopped spring onions, 3 to 4 tablespoons of tomato sauce and 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Now add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder and half a teaspoon of garam masala. Saute until the masala mix well. Now add boiled pasta and mix well. If required, add some salt. At this stage, you can add grated cheese and red chili flakes. I have added only red chili flakes. Now our pasta is ready to eat. Hope you will try this recipe and don't forget to comment how the recipe is. Thank you. Bye bye.